Hey there, I'm Steve and you're watching Car Simplified. Today we're working on the fog lights of this 2005 Pontiac GTO. In order to do this job, you won't need everything you see here, but you will need some of it. On my car in particular, I needed a 10mm wrench and a Phillips screwdriver. You may need a trim removal tool to get some stuff off. And if the light socket is dirty or really corroded, you'll want some contact cleaner like this. And of course, you'll need a good set of LED bulbs. Lasfit has been kind enough to send us some bulbs in the past, and this is the third set of bulbs we've gotten from them. I've really liked everything they've sent us so far, and since they're less expensive than competitors at the same quality level, I tend to recommend them. Now, one way you can go about doing this is getting a bulb and socket combo that is compatible, and then you can just cut the wires on here, plug in the new socket, and then plug in the new bulb. But today I want to see if I can take some semi-universal LEDs for fog lights and try to plug it into the socket that's already there so I can keep the OEM wire harness. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your LED actually fits into the light assembly. And that it does. Let's set this aside for now. Here's the original harness, and you'll see there's these two lines here where this slides onto. It does not go on that way, it only goes on that way. So now that we've got that set up, I can make sure this works before I assemble everything. This is why LEDs don't tend to have those pin guides in there like that. You take it out, flip it around 180 degrees, and look at that. Yeah, that's gonna look good. So I just put these on here for storage. I need to take these off. Both the light assemblies are super similar on these GTOs. You have to take note of the alignment of these if you've mixed them up and line them up properly. See, there's no hole here. That lines up with the lack of hole here, and it slides right in that way. You don't need to remove the bumper to access this fog light. I've just taken the bumper off so that you can more easily see how these are installed. If you want to be extra thorough, you can attach this wire here so the airflow around this bulb will be the best that it can be. This knob right here you can twist to adjust the pitch of the fog lights so you can aim it up or down. Don't aim it too high though, that'll blind oncoming traffic. Snug these down, but not too tight. It is made out of plastic. It can compress and crack. Make sure you tighten these down to their final position before you start adjusting the fog light too. So there's the new LED on the left and the OEM bulb on the right. Not only is the bulb on the left a brighter and nicer looking color, but it also uses less power than an incandescent bulb. I'll go repeat this process on the other side and I'll show you how it looks. I really like how this turned out. This car isn't ready to be on the road yet, so I can't show you a test drive just yet, but I will make that in a future video. Again, everything you see here will be linked to in the description, and thanks again to Lasfit for sending us these awesome bulbs. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next video.